Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Tech and AI YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add blur effects on FaceTune app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the FaceTune app and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the FaceTune app shown in the screen once you open it. So at the bottom of this dashboard you can see the plus icon. Simply tap on that option and now you can choose any of the photos from the library. So let me select one, and now you'll be redirected to another page where you can edit your photos from here. So at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the adjust option. Simply select that option, and in this section you can see lots of options: auto adjust, edit, crop, etc. And you need to slide it to the left, and you can see the blur icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply select the blur icon, and now you'll be able to add blur effects successfully from here. So basically this is how you can add blur effects on FaceTune, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.